Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me 3 letters, but I'm just going to do the B. You can see when you move it, it's got a bounding box, and they want to put something inside there. Well, you can't because it's going to just fill up the bounding box. It is a PNG file, but you need to trace it to make it into a vector file. So with that selected, it's already pretty little, so we're just going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace Clip Art, and it's going to do it pretty quick. It's already done it. We can take that over there, and now you can see no bounding box. But as I'm holding down the left mouse button, I can see a line right up in here. If we look at it under wireframe, there's that line. So to get rid of that line, just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now when we go back to view and enhanced, we get that, and then you can test it and it'll fill in. It'll fill in just the inner part of the B, but they're wanting to put an image in it. I don't know what image yet. We could try a couple of different things. We need to actually put this to the back of the page so we can see our B, and then select it all. And I still like using intersect if it works, and we'll see if it worked in just a second. And it didn't, because it put it just in the other part. So what you can do to make the intersect work in this case, we can do this right here. I still like intersect over power clipping, so we're going to fill that in and then move our B over, and we can actually make it an outline now. We can left click, right click, and now we can probably intersect it, and that's what you're going to get. So now it's missing the outline, so when you do that, don't let's see how big this is. It's less than 4 inches, so we'll set our nudge factor on 4. And if you want the outline, then when you intersect it, you can move the intersection over and then grab your outline itself and put it over. Well, that still didn't really work because it's just an outline. But then well, we didn't nudge, we moved. So this isn't going to work perfectly. Let's just start over with that image. Let's move this one down here. Let's move our picture down here. And this time I'm going to completely nudge it. So what we're going to do is take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to nudge that B over. Then we're going to take both these items and we're going to intersect it. I'm going to nudge that over. Then I can take this and nudge it over twice, and you get the outline around the photograph. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.